Among the several OpenAI chatbots, the most known is GPT-3, but OpenAI has recently stated that they would soon release GPT-4. The transformer algorithm used is based on a neural network, a type of software designed to mimic the way the human brain processes information. This allows the algorithm to analyze and interpret massive amounts of data, the knowledge from which is then used to generate text that sounds like human speech. Since GPT is taught and based on certain models, they may be tweaked with specific data to yield even better results. But the big concern as of late has been, how do they work? Over 175 billion machine learning parameters are incorporated in the advanced learning neural network utilized in GPT-3, making it the most powerful neural network ever developed. When comparing GPT-3 to previously produced chatbots, you'll see that the neural network has 17.5 times as many parameters, and the text is strikingly similar to human expression. GPT-4, which has not yet been released, will have 170 trillion parameters and is expected to be a large machine learning model in terms of operations, having been developed on a massive amount of data to produce language that matches the human one. OpenAI's decision to build GPT-4 was prompted by the success of GPT-3, which ranked first on a list of the most popular natural language processing models. As an added bonus, GPT-3 is being used for automatic conversational activities that reply to any text placed into a computer. This GPT-3 chatbot is not restricted to writing in human languages. It can write in any language with text structure. OpenAI concluded that this is not all their chatbot can do, and so GPT-3 can also automatically generate computer code, which is arguably the best news for individuals who lack such understanding on coding. Even in the form of summaries, GPT-3 can help you out. The system is equipped with a text predictor that generates the most likely reply after analyzing the user's text input, as we've already explained. This is accomplished by teaching the system to recognize various patterns and the vast amount of information available on the internet. It is surprising to us that the model can produce useful output text that is very similar to what humans would write, but enough of GPT-3's work for now. An important benefit of GPT-4 is that it can detect and generate numerous forms of natural language text. Unlike GPT-3, it is expected to comprehend both formal and our everyday casual language, making it more adaptable to a wide range of jobs. From what we've seen so far, we're confident that GPT-4 will have an even greater impact on all industries than what we've seen until now. It seems we can't go further without mentioning the transformer mechanic again. The transformer mechanic has proven to be efficient for various computer learning tasks that only make GPT-4 better. Now, let's circle back to GPT-4. After it's finished, the first thing you can do with it is utilize it as a content generator. With 2 billion monthly active Instagram users, it's really challenging to create content that is both relevant and tailored to that demographic. Customers will come to expect customization as a standard feature of all marketing efforts in 2023. Unlike GPT-3, marketers can use the content generator to construct GPT-4 in order to rapidly develop content options that are specific to additional target markets. This could be useful for companies whose target consumers from a wide variety of nations and speak a wide variety of languages, as the material will be considerably simpler to translating. Secondly, GPT-4 will be crucial for the development of content ideas. Instead of spending hours sifting through social media to get knowledge and motivation, what if you could simply type in a question and get a well-written answer? In 2023, content consumption will increase, but people's ability to focus on a single task will decrease. As a result, GPT-4 appears to be an excellent answer for people who have trouble keeping up with the latest news and constantly shifting algorithms. Another fantastic application for GPT-4 is in customer service and chatbots. Sometimes it seems like everything comes effortlessly, and other times it can take hours to do a single work. That's the tough part of having a business. However, GPT-4 will respond to customer support queries in no time, and that's something to be proud of. It's not surprising that chatbots are helping businesses in the sales, marketing, and customer service arenas by automating formerly manual processes. The use of AI has repercussions in the area of employee education as well. Technology facilitates the negotiation of numerous languages and a wide range of sales tactics. It's ridiculous to claim that chatbots don't affect every industry in some way. Since 2020, GPT-3's use in branches has increased by 92%, with chatbots being the fastest growing channel. 67% of humans around the world have used a chatbot in the past year. When GPT-3 is perfected to the point that it can write college-level essays and develop complex Python code, it has the potential to replace humans. Since 2020, the percentage of consumers who utilize interactive marketing to make a purchase has increased by 41.3%. To better the technology of GPT-3, GPT-4 will be created. Due to the optimal parameterization, GPT-4 will employ novel parameters to generate superior hyperparameters for optimal models. There is a direct correlation between the number of training tokens and the performance of the model. Parameterization is as important as model computation. Because GPT-4 is easier to teach than GPT-3, it has the potential to reduce a company's losses while cutting training times. One of the most notable distinctions is that GPT-4 will need roughly 5 trillion more training tokens than GPT-3, but it is also projected to run more safely, hence increasing the security of your business and its software. Since GPT-3 isn't the most secure model, we're crossing our fingers that GPT-4 is, and that it also generates more accurate and human-like answers. There will be less obvious errors in GPT-4 that give away the fact that it was generated by AI. Benefits of increased precision include fewer micromanaging managers, lower labor costs, and more free time for workers. AI models could help reduce the inevitable biases inherent in using AI systems trained with human data. The fundamental issue is that GPT-3 isn't constantly getting better, since it doesn't have a continuous long-term memory that remembers and learns from every experience. There are many cases where it cannot explain the correlation between input and outcome. The GPT-3 transformer architecture has limitations due to its inability to accept a significant amount of text as input, limiting the scope of some functions. Several sentences fall short of GPT-3 input text length restriction. Even GPT-3 has sluggish inference times. Since the model was trained on data taken from the internet, the AI chatbot exhibits many of the same biases that plague machine learning systems. This creates a significant potential for the spread of false information. There is growing concern that GPT-3 can easily generate them due to the sophisticated style of the text, and some believe that GPT-4 will have the same drawbacks. The possibility that the content contains misleading information is always present because there will always be people who exploit new technologies in inappropriate ways. We think that GPT-4 is amazing to watch out for in the coming year, and since users are already teaching themselves how to get the best answers from GPT-3, we'll probably see more and more so-called chatbot experts when GPT-4 comes out, disrupting more and more industry. Feel free to let us know what you think about this revolution. Are you scared or excited about the future? Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. You probably are interested in the whole AI world, so I would suggest subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and updates.